A child looks to the adults around them for safety, care, and trust. But what if the very person meant to protect them becomes the source of their deepest fear? For years, children were allegedly betrayed by someone they relied on, while their suffering went unnoticed. How could this happen in a system designed to keep them safe? This is the story of Dr. Patrick Clyne, a doctor accused of sexually abusing patients and exploiting his position as both a pediatrician and a foster parent. Children who had nowhere to turn were trapped, and the very system designed to protect them reportedly failed. Dr. Patrick Clyne held immense authority. As the chief pediatrician for foster children in Santa Clara County, he oversaw the care of thousands of children. At the same time, he was a licensed foster parent, taking children into his own home. This dual role gave him access to young victims, many already carrying deep trauma. Reports suggest he allegedly manipulated children by disguising inappropriate contact as medical care and earning their trust with gifts and attention. Complaints about his conduct began surfacing as early as 2001. The timeline of alleged events shows how long this situation continued. Complaints appeared in 2001. In 2011, evidence led to his removal as chief pediatrician, yet he continued in private practice. By 2014, he could no longer foster children, but his medical work continued. In 2025, Dr. Patrick Clyne surrendered his medical license. Today, civil lawsuits and investigations are ongoing, with more families choosing to participate in Dr. Patrick Clyne's sexual abuse lawsuits to pursue justice that should have come sooner. The institutions that should have protected these children reportedly failed repeatedly. Santa Clara County, its social services agency, and the Santa Clara Valley Medical Center were aware of concerns about Dr. Patrick Clyne, yet allowed him continued access to children. Even after evidence was uncovered in 2011, he remained in private practice. This long period of alleged inaction allowed abuse to continue and left countless young survivors struggling with betrayal and trauma. The emotional impact on these children is profound and lifelong. The allegations documented in Dr. Patrick Clyne's sexual abuse lawsuits describe grooming, unnecessary examinations, and manipulative affection. Victims were silenced for years, their cries unheard, their suffering ignored. For those affected, the weight of this betrayal is immense, but the pursuit of justice gives a voice to their pain. Now, survivors and their families are stepping forward. Many are joining Dr. Patrick Clyne's sexual abuse lawsuits to hold Dr. Patrick Clyne and the institutions accountable for the alleged decades of misconduct. If you or your child were affected, you may be able to file a lawsuit against a doctor, supported by an experienced doctor, sexual abuse lawyer, or doctor sexual abuse attorney. These cases are more than legal steps. They are a statement that abuse and negligence cannot go unchallenged. The story of Dr. Patrick Clyne's sexual abuse is not just about one doctor. It is about a system that failed, trust that was broken, and courage emerging from pain. Children should feel safe with those who care for them, yet for decades that safety was denied. Legal action, awareness, and advocacy help survivors be heard and ensure that the lessons from this tragedy prevent further harm. If you are looking for guidance on how to sue a doctor or support regarding doctor sexual abuse, resources and professionals are ready to assist. Every survivor deserves acknowledgement, and every child deserves protection. Understanding the story of Dr. Patrick Clyne's sexual abuse strengthens accountability and reinforces the responsibility to safeguard vulnerable children. Justice, even when delayed, is essential and must be pursued relentlessly. Grab your free case review via the link in description or pinned comment, or visit injurylawyerteam.com.